Hello guys, welcome back again. Hope you are doing well. I'm MJ. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly change your picture background, or you can remove the picture background. This is the easiest way. Okay, you don't need to use any app. So for this, you need to go to Google, open any browser, and open the Google. In the Google, just type remove BG and hit enter. Search it. So open the first link. This is the link. Open it. So here, click on upload image. Select the image which you want to remove the background, open it, and that's it. Boom, this is the original picture and this is the background removed picture. It will remove instantly. So this is how you can remove the background. If you want, you can download this image. Simply click on download and save it. Or if you want to apply your own background behind the picture, then click on edit, click on select photo and select your own picture to set the background and open, and that's it. So you got the background of image. After this, click on download. Okay, download image, save it. Okay, and if you want to apply the solid color in your picture, so you can easily do it. Just click on color and from here just select the color which you want to take. That's it. Yep. And after this, simply click on download image. Okay, download image, and that's it. So it's the easy and simple way to convert or change your background, or you can easily remove your picture background. So I will open one by one. So this is the original picture, as you can see here, and this is the background removed picture. Okay, this is the background applied picture, and this is a solid color. Yeah, you can do all these things only in website. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.